Everyone was shocked when this motorcycle stunt ride started performing his show upside down with his legs up and his face buried in the front of the bike. But it didn't last long. He soon tried another trick and couldn't finish it. However, the next guy chose to perform sitting in front of his bike with his hands twisting backwards. His balance couldn't keep him up for long, and he also fell. The third guy showed them who is boss. Just watch his performance and the commentator's reaction to it.
Squadra di società.